So whenever I'm using the waver, I'll start at the very top, just clamp the iron down, hold it for just a few seconds, and then continue the same thing all the way throughout the hair. I think this Amika waver makes the prettiest waves for your hair. It's great for short hair, medium hair, or long. I think that it has the best effect on long hair. When it comes to the front pieces, I just start crimping right as close to the hairline as I can. A lot of times I come in at a vertical angle as well, just to kind of like give the wave some more variation. Beauties. So lastly, we're going to use Supernova by Amika to defrizz a little, to smooth, to polish, and add a little bit of shine. I put this in my hair while it was damp and blow dried it in. So now we're going to use it as a styling aid. So you're just going to take a small amount. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed my hair tutorial on everything Amika today. I did use the shampoo by Amika. It's perfect for smoothing your hair. I chose to use the Kure by Amika as well. It's great for repairing. My hair feels amazing after using the leave-in conditioner called the Kure. It's really creamy, smells really good. You leave it in for 10 minutes. My hair felt so polished and smooth, even kind of like fuller in a sense when I was blow drying it. Lastly, I used Supernova. I used this when my hair was wet and then applied it all the way through, brushed it through, blow dried it. After I was done waving my hair, I applied it at the very end to the front pieces to kind of help eliminate a little bit more frizz as well. To finish off the look, I used Amika's High Tide Deep Waver. I've used other irons and they're just okay. This one is perfect because it has a really good like regulated heat temperature. I love the way it makes my hair look. It's a really pretty like beach wave and really effortless. Perfect for kind of like any occasion. Alright beauties, thank you guys again so much for watching. Comment below if you enjoyed the video.